y'all. So back with another unboxing video. I was at the outlets over the weekend, Philadelphia Premium Outlets, and came across these sandals that I like, so I got them. Now, one thing about me, I don't care what season, what time something dropped. If I like it, I like it. I'm buying it. I don't care who doesn't like it. It's whatever. But let's get into opening these up so y'all can see. I think they're so cute. They are the boucle material. Kind of got like a little crisscross pattern on them, but I think they're really, really cute. And I like the way this color looks against my skin tone. So I'm going to try them on for y'all real quick. And I actually, these were like $70 something. This is the name. It's the Everly Slide. They were like 70 something. I'm not sure because I got other things too, but let's put these on. So I'm just showing y'all these two shoes together. They are a size 9. The insoles are leather, I believe. I don't know what the outer sole is made of. But I think they're so cute. All right, so I'm usually a thong girl because I feel like shoes with the band across, they just make my feet look super long, like hoagie rolls or something. And I don't be liking them, but for some reason, these actually look cute. I actually like these. Y'all tell me what y'all think. I mean, I'm still gonna wear them anyway, but I think I like these. And they don't feel too weird on my feet. Like, sometimes on your toes, like across this part, they'll hurt because that part kind of like squeezes across your foot and it'll give you like a little scar right here. On some shoes that have the band, and that's another reason why I usually don't like them. But once I finally actually wear them, we'll see if they jack my feet up or not. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video.